I'll talk about, little has been talked about primary agricultural production testing at that level. There's a lot of talk that has gone on about testing at the secondary production, that is at the processing going forward. But there's a lot that needs to be done at this level. And that is where you need to look at the chemical composition of the soil. You need to look at, test the water that you use to feed your crops. And in this regard, we have an ICPOS from GENA that you can use to do this. If you want to test fertilizers, that is carbon fertilizers, we have analyzers as well from GENA that you can use to do this. Then also, if you want to look at biomass and the dissolved organic matter in soil, again, we have a solution for you. So what we are ensuring is that you are able to screen and ensure that there's quality right from the soil and not dealing with the quality from the process point. We also have a good solution for livestock feed. This is an area that for the last few years had a lot of interest because there's a lot of contamination and a lot of food safety issues that has come about from the feed that the animals have been feeding on. So again, we have a solution, an ICPMS, that can give you very low level of detection in your feeds, and be it grains, be it legumes, and so on and so forth. So as secondary agricultural production testing at this level, there's a lot that we can be able to do. For instance, mercury in dairy and aquaculture, that is in fish. This has been a specific area that a lot has been, people are a bit concerned, more so with the exports. But again, as I say, we also need to look at the fish that ends up in our market, be it from the lake, from the ponds, or even imported from other countries. So GENA has a good solution for this, that is an AAS. And of course, for arsenic is a big problem. Apart from arsenic in groundwater, we also have a lot of problems with arsenic in rice. So rice is also a big problem when it comes to arsenic. So again, we have a system that can do speciation for arsenic. So you are able to determine whether the rice or whether the water that you either feed into your crops or the water that you are drinking is of good quality.